Hey internet, welcome to another Simply Gilded unboxing video. I think this is the July kit, pretty sure. The Wild Heart July kit. It looks very safari-esque. So very different to, I think, last month's kit, which was much more serene, ethereal, sea sort of kit. So I'm really keen to see what this one is like. So let's get started. As you can see, it's actually really intact, which I always feel like when I get packages, it's hit or miss. I feel like 80%, not 80%, like 60% of the time they come good, like normal, but then there's the 40% of the time when it's like completely smashed or squished or something. But most of the time, even if it is squished, if the box is squished, I can't speak today, then the items inside aren't damaged, so it's fine. So that's everything in the box. So I'm going to recycle that. And this is the actual note about what's everything in the July Wild Heart box. So, ooh. Oh, I love this. It's like a pencil case with the washi in it instead of like a plastic. Because I do notice, and I think you guys have mentioned it a couple of times in the video as well, that a lot of hauls and a lot of unboxings that I have, there's a lot of plastic involved. I totally get that. But I do recycle everything. Oh, everything's so matchy. It's very like rainbow. This reminds me of like a tropical rainforest vibe. Something like maybe the Amazon. Maybe? I've never been to the Amazon before, but I just assume it's kind of this, just based on movies and stuff or cartoons, it kind of feels, it has that vibe to it. So I'm pretty sure this is like a black gel pen, which I will test out. Actually, I might just test it out now, because this isn't like a normal box where I have like multiple pens to test. These Simply Gilded ones always just come with at least one pen, so I may as well just test it out. Simply... Yep. Except for the first skip here, which I'm very tempted to always go over it again when it skips, but I'm like, okay, no, stop. I need to show you guys exactly how it is. It's a really nice pen. It's got a good weight to it. Not as weighty as some of the fountain pens, but it has got a good weight to it and it writes really smoothly. So this is actually a really nice pen. And so now we have some post-it notes, like a really big post-it note. And then we have a notebook here, blank notebook. Then we have some cardstock and then the stickers, which as I mentioned in a previous video, they tend to be on the thicker side, but I think this is just, these stickers will fit in your Erin Condren as well. So you've got some labels and gold foiling, lots of gold foiling. Okay, so let's open up the washi tapes. Actually, I'm going to take the plastic off all of these because otherwise it reflects the sun, which is starting to come out now, so give me 1 second. Okay, so these are the washi tapes and I am blown away. Do you see these four here? They're actually small individual ones, like tiny little individual ones that came kind of like in one. So you really get 7 washi tapes in this kit, which is phenomenal. The foiling is all in gold. So this is like I'm gonna get the bird's name wrong. Toucan. It's not a rosella. I have no idea. I'm really bad at this. So but you've got like the exotic birds, leopard print. I think these are leaves, gold leaves on the rainbow backing, leopard print with the gold bows, and then you've got these sort of pink, yellow, green, blue with the gold bowls, but they're so bows. Sorry, can't pronounce. Except, oh no, this is like these two, like the blue and yellow are holographic, and then the green and pink are in gold. And they're so small and perfect, and I love it. Oh, I love these washi tape. It's so good. So yeah, that is everything in this month's, well, July's Simply Gilded box. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.